Dear students, in this presentation, we will discuss about crystal symmetry, introduction to point groups and space groups from the module crystalline state. In crystallography, symmetry is used to characterize crystals, identify repeating parts of molecules, and simplify both data collection and nearby all calculations. Also, the symmetry of physical properties of a crystal, such as thermal conductivity and optical activity, must include the symmetry of the crystal. Therefore, symmetry of the crystal have different application in inorganic chemistry. We know that there are 7 basic crystal systems. They differ by having different relation between unit cell axes and angles. Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, trigonal or rhombohedral, and hexagonal are the 7 basic crystal systems. There are 14 Bravais lattices. That is, it is relatively easy to prove that there are a total of 14 three-dimensional lattices which met the criteria of identical surroundings of the lattice points. These are called Bravais lattices. There are 4 types of unit cell: primitive, notation P; body-centered, notation I; face-centered, notation F; and side-centered or end-centered, notation C. Z is the number of atoms per unit cell. Then the number of atoms per unit cell in the case of primitive is 1. The Z value for body-centered lattice is 2. Z value for face-centered lattice is 4, and Z value for side-centered or end-centered lattice is 2. This table summarizes how the 14 Bravais lattices are distributed among 7 basic crystal systems. Cubic contains 3 Bravais lattices P, I, F. Tetragonal contains 2 Bravais lattices P and I. Orthorhombic contains 4 Bravais lattices P, I, C, F. Monoclinic contains 2 Bravais lattices P and C. Triclinic, trigonal and hexagonal contains 1 Bravais lattice, that is P. P is primitive, I is body-centered, F is face-centered, C is side-centered or end-centered. A symmetry operation is an action that leaves an object looking the same after it has been carried out. So symmetry operation is an operation that make the object looking the same after the operation. Each symmetry operation has a corresponding symmetry element that may be axis, plane, line or point. The symmetry elements that a molecule may possess are may 5. E identity, Cn n-fold axis, sigma plane of symmetry, I a center of symmetry, Sn a n-fold improper rotation axis. E is the identity, a operation meaning doing nothing. Cn is n-fold axis of rotation, that is rotation by 360 degree by n leaves the molecule unchanged. A plane of symmetry, sigma, reflection in the plane leaves the molecule looking the same. There may be sigma V sigma H or sigma D. I means center of symmetry. Inversion through the center of symmetry leaves the molecule unchanged. Therefore, every molecule contains only one center of symmetry. Fifth one is Sn, improper rotation axis. The rotary reflection operation consists of rotating through an angle 360 degree by n about the axis, followed by reflecting in a plane perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, rotation followed by reflection is improper rotation axis. A point group is described by a characteristic assembly of symmetry operations. Crystallographic point groups. By crystallographic point groups, we understand a selection of point groups that have symmetry elements that can all operate on lattice. It is infinite three-dimensional. This requirement is only fulfilled by 32 point groups. Therefore, this condition is satisfied by only 32 point groups. Therefore, the 7 basic crystal systems are again changed to 32 point groups, meaning cubic contains 5 point groups, tetragonal contains 7 point groups, orthorhombic contains 3 point groups, monoclinic contains 3 point groups, triclinic contains 2 point groups, trigonal contains 5 point groups, and hexagonal contains 7 point groups. Of these, 11 are centrosymmetric while 21 are non-centrosymmetric. There are total of 32 point groups. In addition to the symmetry operations described for point groups, there are 2 special symmetry operations. They are grid plane and screw axis. It is formed by a rotation and mirroring followed by translation. A screw axis is appeared, a rotation followed by translation. Similarly, a grid plane is obtained when mirroring followed by translation. Screw axis, there are example 2-1, 4-1 and 6-3. For axial grid plane, A, B or C. Therefore, these 2 are grid planes and screw axis are 2 special symmetry operation, rotation and mirroring followed by translation. If it is rotation, then translation, it is screw axis. If it is mirroring and translation, then it is grid plane. The combination of the 32 crystallographic point groups and the 14 Bravais lattices give rise to 230 different space groups. Of the 230 space groups, 73 are symorphic space groups and 157 are not symorphic space groups. The 73 space groups arise from the combination of Bravais lattice and the normal symmetry operation. The 157 not symorphic space groups are obtained by combination of Bravais lattice and symmetry operations combined with translation, that is screw axis or grid plane. Therefore, in 157 not symorphic space groups, instead of normal symbols of rotation axis and mirror planes, the screw axis and grid planes are involved. There are 230 space groups. These space groups are distributed among the 7 basic crystal systems. Cubic contains 36 space groups. Tetragonal contains 68 space groups. Orthorhombic contain 59 space groups. Monoclinic contains 13 space groups. Triclinic contains 2 space groups. Trigonal or rhombohedral contains 25 space groups and hexagonal contains 27 space groups. Therefore, there are total of 230 space groups.